Check this out!
Hey, John Kevler.
Yo! The airless basketball printed great, and I took it out for some beating with some friends. We played with it a whole day, and it's still intact. It bounces pretty nicely. And some of my friends even kicked it without any worries. Besides getting it a little dirty, nothing happened.
Oh, what is that?
It's a ball! A bigger ball! They are both printed with a Flex PLA from Sting 3D. This design is by 3D and this design is by BQ. I've heard good things about the BQ airless bowl model, so we might as well try it out, right? The first one I made a little smaller, but this one I maxed out on the plate. Let's see. Finally! This feels so good, and the size is perfect. Let me bounce it. Whoa! Whoa, boys! This is awesome. And my friend is gonna drop them at the same time. That one bounces higher. So big shout out to Sting 3D and their Flex PLA filament. It makes some awesome balls.